Oh my God, come on man, Evan. Coriander salad with toasted seaweed and toasted peanuts. Very simple. The secret ingredient is in the dressing. I never thought it was possible to make a salad with coriander as its main ingredient. But I went to this place in Paris called the Dauphin, and it was genius. They used Dijon mustard to balance out the strong flavors of the coriander, and they diluted the mustard with olive brine. So, this is how you make the dressing. First, you add Dijon mustard. And then, the secret weapon, my daughter's panda whisk. What you want to do is you slowly add the olive brine and you whisk it to minimize the lump. Kind of like making mayonnaise. Once that's done, you add a bit of oyster sauce. You can use oyster sauce or hoisin sauce, also works pretty well. And a dash of toasted sesame oil. Toasted sesame oil is very overpowering, so I would just add a tiny touch. Like that. And that's our dressing ready. And now the coriander. This had just been spun in the salad spinner. And all you want to do is to chop them coarsely. I tried cutting them finely and removing the stalks with a pair of scissors. But then I realized the taste of the coriander mainly lies with the stalks. So if you like the taste of coriander, I would keep them. And if you don't, why would you even make this salad anyway? So, into a salad mixing bowl, we add the dressing. And you add it to taste. So I would always make a bit more than you think you need so people could adjust tableside. And you add toasted seaweed. These are seaweeds you can buy from Asian supermarket, Japanese supermarket, Korean supermarket. Some people eat them as snacks, or you could buy sushi nori, which has the same effect. And you just cut them with a pair of scissors. And these would bind with the dressing and they would soften. They have a tremendous amount of umami. And then we add a bit of pickled chili. Again, you buy them as spicy as you like and you add as much as you wish. And you just mix. This can use a bit more dressing, I think. You don't want it to be wet. You just want a sufficient amount to coat most leaves. The olive brine is very salty, by the way, so there's not much need to add salt, but you can, again, you can adjust accordingly. And now, we plate. And the final touch, we add a bit of crushed toasted peanut. And there you have it, coriander salad with Dijon mustard, toasted peanuts and toasted seaweed. I hope you enjoy.